So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is the 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chair arrangement, TV on the front wall, kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the left side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and a library section and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom and 4 feet wide passage here. On the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, street table with chair and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here with attached washroom. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, drawer arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and attached washroom with wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.